Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 211414. MOT, 12 June 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,